how to view blocked users list on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device. Here, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and scroll down, and you will see the option for blocked accounts under the visibility tab. So tap on the blocked accounts option you see there, and in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the accounts that you have blocked on TikTok. So this was about how you can view blocked users list on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.